It's another beautiful day, and it's a lot different than yesterday. It's sunny, and we're gonna get some downspouts done today. This is probably a good thumbnail right here. Work site. I was just taking a thumbnail, and you
should have done that.
say what? What was this?
Did you say it was a beautiful day yesterday?
It was.
Did you make it on video?
Yeah, I already posted that
Today
one.
is a beautiful day. Yesterday was even better.
Oh, okay. The rain was good because we didn't have to do a water test. But we got our clean outs right there. Let's get to work. Beautiful day. Wow. That's going to be beautiful. Looks like they're already starting to dig out the drain pipes to kind of move them around a little bit. Right there. Very nice. What is David? Wow, David.
Okay, now that it's finally nice, beautiful, and sunny, I can finally wear my nice new Danners.
You
I'm
didn't
gonna take these shitty shoes off.
You didn't want to wear the boots yesterday when it was raining?
No, I didn't want to get them dirty. You crazy?
Oh.
I got these dirty, that's fine. But those, no.
So now that it's sunny, he's gonna put his boots on. That's interesting, fella. These square 3x4 downspouts, and it's looking really good. We got one right there, one more right there. Sealer inside this downspout, and I'll show you why. Inside the elbow right there, that's where the glue is. That will make the noise disappear when the water falls. Thank you, Paul, for the teriyaki today. Very nice. Almost done with the downspouts. We got 2 more to go. And it's turned out really good. The square downspouts look amazing. Change the design without the designers because we are the designers. We were originally going to have a downspout like right in here, but the gutter was able to go all the way through to the other side. So we'll put a downspout here and a downspout here to make it look symmetrical. So it looks really good. We're catching all the water. No more water on top of the roof here. Project done, got the truck cleaned up and organized. Ready for the next project. I think we're going to Wenatchee or Soap Lake next week, so we're doing a lot of custom projects for customers. Anyway, I'm gonna do a quick walk around and do a final video. I'll turn some music on, I guess. Folks, that's it for this house. We had 2 days to do it. We got it done. It's almost 5 o'clock, so 2 days. We kind of had a late start today. But anyway, anybody can do gutters, but you have to kind of design it while you're at it. The designers were here yesterday, but we ended up changing a few things and making it even better because we are the designers. Is the lens dirty? Let's see. There we go. All right, so we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. God bless.